Today I am going to teach you about how you can edit your videos in CapCut. So here first of all I will go to that video. So I will import a video there. I will drag there. So now you have the option to edit it. Here I am going to make the designs. We can increase and scale the video here. So first of all we will attach that clip with it. Now we will make the changes into it. We can increase its speed, size of the video. We can cut any part of that screen. So let's create another shape. We can speed up that video. Thank you for watching.